Lemon Fusilli, I'm going to make a really easy and very rich sauce. It's a lemon cream sauce. A tablespoon of olive oil. While that heats up, I'm just going to chop some garlic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flavor the cream and then reduce it. And it's going to be like a white sauce. So, a tablespoon of chopped garlic. I'm going to cook the garlic in the olive oil for about a minute. Right into the pan. The next thing I need is 2 cups of cream. I'm just going to put the cream in and let it reduce over medium heat. I'm going to flavor it with lots of lemon. The zest of 2 lemons. So the lemon and the cream and the lemon juice are all going to cook together. And they're just going to become an incredibly flavorful sauce. Okay, that's the zest of 2 lemons. Right into the cream. And then the juice of 2 lemons. 2 teaspoons of salt. Remember, this is the sauce on the pasta, so it has to be really strongly flavored. 1 teaspoon of pepper. Just going to stir that around. So this is just going to simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes until it's reduced by half. And by then, the pasta should be done. Okay, the sauce looks like it's ready. See, it just starts to coat the spoon, just like a white sauce. It smells good, delicious, lemon and garlic. I'm going to pour it right over the pasta and the broccoli. Okay, next is Parmesan cheese. Put on as much as you like, about a quarter, half a cup, something like that. Okay. Lots of cherry tomatoes. This is gorgeous. Just going to toss it all together. So the sauce and the Parmesan get onto everything. That looks great. Okay, I have 2 more things. Just a few pieces of lemon tossed into it. I think it really just looks so much better. And the last thing is fresh arugula. I have some baby arugula that's just gorgeous. Just a big handful of arugula goes into it. Just toss it together, and the heat from the pasta is just going to wilt the arugula just enough. Nice platter for it. Onto the platter. Lots of cherry tomatoes. And I would say sprinkling the Parmesan cheese. A few pieces of lemon, and lunch is served.